Updates on Windows systems are necessary. But sometimes, Windows Update interferes with our work while using a PC or laptop. In Control Panel, we can disable it. But that way, it only works for 7 days. To disable Windows Update for the long term, you can follow these methods. The first step, we can disable Windows Update through the Register Editor, or Regedit. To make it easier, we can look for it using the Windows search box. In the Regedit window, open folder of hkey_local_machine. System. Current control set. Services. And then click WASERV folder. Double-click on the Depend on Service file. In the Value Data column, add the number 0 to our PCSS, and then select OK. After that, open the image path file, and also add the number 0 after SVC host. If it's done, select OK. The next step, turn off Windows Update on Services. In the Services window, look for Windows Update settings. After Windows Update Properties is open, we can see that the settings for path to executable is in accordance with those previously set. On the Startup type, select the Disabled option. If it is set, click Apply, and then select OK. And now Windows Update has been disabled. We can still update Windows manually through the Windows Update feature in the Control Panel. That's how to permanently disable Windows Update. Thank you for watching. See you again in another tutorial video.